Okay, today we will be using idle of Python to try to convert US dollars to UK pounds. So we should start a new file and then we start from the beginning. Let's do hash converts US dollars to UK pounds. So easy and simple. And then print currency converter dollars to pounds, and then hash enter dollars US dollars equals to float inputs parentheses quote enter the dollar amounts.
Let's quickly fast forward a little bit.
Okay.
Don't forget to save the file.
Pounds, and it will be saved as Python files, and we save, and then we run this module here. Oh, hold on, I type something wrong. Dollars, let's run again, run, sure we have this correctly, and let's see, enter the dollar amounts to 30, and then you see 30 converted to UK pounds is 22.8. Perfect, right? Okay, that should show you how you can run you can write a US dollars to UK pounds Python code. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.